So hi guys, welcome to Shifting Gears, and in this video I have with me the 2021 TVS Apache RTR 200 4V with riding modes. अभी काफ़ी लोगों का ये कहना है that for a 200cc class motorcycle you don't really need power modes, you don't really need riding modes. But you know what, TVS thinks it makes sense, and in this video we are going to find out if at all it is worth it or not. इस वीडियो में हम चलाने वाले हैं इस मोटरसाइकिल को विद इन द मुंबई सिटी लिमिट्स एंड अ लिटिल बिट आउट ऑन द हाईवे, एंड वी विल फाइंड आउट इफ दिस 2021 TVS Apache RTR 200 4V मेक्स सेंस और नॉट. सबसे पहले तो प्राइसिंग की बात कर लेते हैं. इफ़ यू वांट टू बाय दिस पर्टिकुलर बाइक विद ड्यूअल चैनल ABS, द प्राइस इज़ 1,33,000 एक्स शोरूम. TVS ने रिसेंटली इसका सिंगल चैनल ABS वेरिएंट भी लॉन्च कर लिया है, एंड दैट मोटरसाइकिल कॉस्ट्स 1,28,000 एक्स शोरूम. वेरी क्विकली अगर स्पेसिफिकेशंस की बात करें तो इस मोटरसाइकिल के साथ आपको एक 197.75 cc सिंगल सिलेंडर एयर ऑयल्ड कूल्ड 4 स्ट्रोक फ्यूल इंजेक्टेड 4 वाल्व मोटर दिया गया है, which produces 20.8 PS of power जब आप इसे स्पोर्ट मोड में चला लेते हो. And when you ride this motorcycle in the urban and rain mode, you get 17.3 PS of power. So the power is restricted. Also जब आप ये मोड चेंज कर लेते हो, ABS intervention जो है वो भी चेंज हो जाता है. So in sport mode the ABS allows you to play around with the brakes a little too harder, and in rain mode it is the most intervening so that it can keep you safe, and in urban mode it is a good mix of both, so it will be more towards the neutral side. Now to change these throttle modes or riding modes, whatever you would like to call it, यहाँ पे आपको एक मोड सिलेक्टर बटन दिया गया है on the right hand side switch gear. It is very easy to access on the go. Now when you want to switch between these modes, you have to release the throttle. इस बाइक के साथ आपको राइड बाय वायर टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं मिल रही है. You still have a mechanical cable which operates your throttle input, and every time you switch between rain, urban or sport, you will get a prompt on the speedometer cluster what mode you have selected, and if at all you have not released the throttle, it will also prompt you that you should release the throttle before that particular throttle map is activated, that particular riding mode is activated. Right now I am riding it in urban mode. अभी चलिए स्टेप बाय स्टेप फैशन में इस बाइक के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं. I would say that this TVS Apache RTR 200 4V is more of a urban sporty commuter. I would say it is a commuter because it doesn't really have that 6th gear, so to be out on the highway for a really long time and at really high speeds, this bike might not really feel all that sufficient. It is good enough, but you will be left wanting for more if you are going out on long distance touring with this particular bike. इस बाइक के साथ आपको एक 5-speed gearbox ही मिल रहा है. अभी अगर राइडर्स ट्रायंगल के बारे में बात करें, so you can check it out. This bike comes with clip-on handlebars. The foot pegs are nicely rear set and you sit in a very sporty way. लेकिन ज़्यादा forward biased आपका riding stance नहीं होने वाला है. So ऐसा नहीं है that if you are out on this bike for a long time you will get tired. There is going to be no pain that you feel on your wrists, on your elbows or on your shoulders. And in terms of rider's triangle, the seat is also offering me good enough comfort and support, and there is a decent amount of room for me to move around on this seat as well. So I am a 5 feet 8 inch rider and I am completely at peace with this motorcycle. And also these knee recesses on this motorcycle, they are very nicely carved out. तो जब भी आप ये मोटरसाइकिल घाट रोड्स में चलाने वाले हो, when you are going to be on those winding roads, you will have a lot of fun and your knees will grab onto this fuel tank very nicely. Now guys, since I am riding this TVS Apache RTR 200 4V with riding modes, I am at a signal right now. Let me switch to sport mode and let's check out how this bike sprints, because it is supposed to be sporty, right? So in 3 2 1, this bike, ever since I have been riding it, I have managed a 0 to 60 sprint in 3.4 seconds, and the top speed that I have managed on this motorcycle is 136 kilometers per hour. I'm going to slow down right now because we are within city limits. I just wanted to highlight that जब भी आपको ये बाइक तेज़ चलानी है, it is fast to reach 100 kilometers per hour and it is fun as well. Now a lot of people still have questions about the engine that TVS makes for this Apache RTR 204V and if at all it vibrates. Now let me tell you, पुराने बाइक्स के कंपैरिजन में, पुराने अपाचेज के कंपैरिजन में और पुराने BS4 अपाचे RTR 204V के कंपैरिजन में आपको ये बाइक काफ़ी स्मूथ लगेगी. इस बाइक की इंजन आपको काफ़ी रिफाइंड लगने वाली है. टिल द टाइम यू आर over 7,000 RPM or close to 8,000 and close to the red line, there is not too much of a buzz that is going to make you feel uncomfortable. Don't get me wrong, थोड़ा बहुत वाइब्रेशन ज़रूर है जब आप इस बाइक को से फॉर एग्जांपल 95 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर के स्पीड से ज़्यादा तेज़ चला लेते हो. बट apart from that, the NVH package definitely has improved. The vibrations and harshness is not really all that bad. And what I really like is the sound of this exhaust on this motorcycle. It sounds glorious जब आप इस बाइक को चला लेते हो and it is very distinct. इस सेगमेंट में इस बाइक की exhaust note जो है, it is the most pleasing in my opinion. Now, since I am riding this bike out on the highway and I am in sport mode, let me tell you that इस बाइक के साथ आपको एक शिफ्ट लाइट भी मिल जाती है. And this 2021 TVS Apache RTR 204V also has gear position indicator with a gear shift assist. So यहाँ पे जहाँ पे gear position indicator दिया गया है, you get an up arrow or a down arrow depending on the rev range that you are riding this bike at, and the bike will tell you if you should upshift or downshift and stay in the ideal power band depending on the riding mode that you have selected. अगर आप अर्बन मोड में ये गाड़ी चला रहे हो या आप रेन मोड में ये गाड़ी चला रहे हो, the optimum shift point is going to be different compared to the sport mode. And if you are not in the ideal rev range, ये जो shift light है ये illuminate हो जाएगी and it will try to warn you that you need to be higher up in the rev range or you need to upshift and then make better progress when you are riding this motorcycle. So keep that in mind when you are planning to buy this bike and when you want to have some fun with these riding modes. Now let me tell you that these riding modes do make some amount of difference in terms of the way the throttle response feels. So रेन मोड और अर्बन मोड पे आपको ये बाइक काफ़ी पसंद आएगी when you want to do commuting duties. It is going to feel nice and refined and it is going to be very smooth. फिफ्थ गियर आप लगभग 50 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर पे एंगेज कर सकते हो and then you can keep chugging along in city traffic and the engine and gearbox is going to be very very happy. अगर आप स्पोर्ट मोड एंगेज करके रखते हो and if you ride it in sport mode even inside the city, the bike is going to prompt you that you have to stay above 6000 RPM and that is the most ideal rev range for sport mode. So if you are under 6000 RPM in sport mode, the shift light will stay on and then it will tell you that you are not in the ideal rev range. But check this out, as soon as you move above 6000 RPM, now the engine is happy, the rev range is ideal, and then you can just play around with this motorcycle. Now when I say you can play around very happily on this bike, it is because इस bike का curb weight जो है, it is just 152 kgs. TVS claims that the power to weight ratio is 0.1 kilowatt per kg and this bike is super duper fun. It is very agile और ये जो मोटरसाइकिल है it turns in very quickly and very sharply. So अगर आप ये बाइक घाट रोड्स में चलाना चाहोगे, you will have a lot of fun because you can tip it into corners very confidently and very quickly. So I really had a lot of fun throughout my review ride experience with this bike. Also because of the light curb weight, आप इस बाइक को सिटी ट्रैफिक में काफ़ी आसानी से फिल्टर थ्रू कर सकते हो through traffic and you will not at all feel the weight, and because the bike will feel light, it is going to be very effortless and hence you will be a very happy rider inside city limits. अभी अगर सिटी लिमिट्स की बात कर ही रहे हैं, let me tell you that the clutch is super duper light. Check this out, one finger and it is very very effortless to operate. इस बाइक के साथ आपको एक स्लिपर असिस्ट क्लच दिया गया है and even when you want to launch this bike, The clutch action, supports your requirement that you want to ride it hard, and the clutch engagement and disengagement is also very nice and smooth. लेकिन इस बाइक का जो स्लिपर असिस्ट क्लच है, when you downshift lower down to a gear at a higher speed, आपको थोड़ा रेयर व्हील लॉक, थोड़ा रेयर व्हील हॉप जो है वो ज़रूर फील होने वाला है, and that might make you feel a little uncomfortable till the time you get used to this bike, at least in corners. स्ट्रेट लाइन में आपको शायद इतना ज़्यादा फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा, लेकिन अगर आप मिड कॉर्नर कभी एक्सीडेंटली डाउनशिफ्ट कर देते हो एट अ हायर रेव, एट दैट टाइम दैट व्हील हॉपिंग, दैट व्हील लॉकिंग माइट स्केयर यू. इस बाइक के साथ जो आपको TVS Remora टायर्स दिए गए हैं, they will also offer you very good grip inside city limits and even out on the ghat roads. You will have a lot of fun even in the corners. I was not left wanting for more in terms of what the bike can manage, what I can manage, and what these tires can manage. Of course, if you are a more experienced rider, if you think that you are more brave enough, you can opt for a more stickier rubber in the aftermarket and then just tip this bike into corners, go knee dragging, touch your elbows, and do all those antics which are not really ideal to be done out on the streets. So even though आप online reviews में देख लेते हो that the reviewers go all out and all crazy, dragging their knees, touching their elbows, and sparks flying, and all of that looks fantastic and dramatic on video, it is not safe, it is very risky, and you are risking it, and it is a very thin line. So do not try that. It makes no sense and it adds no value to your riding experience. Right now, when I am at a standstill at a signal, I am switching it to urban mode, and the engine feels nice and refined. There is no buzz that you are going to notice at idle. आपको vibrations बिल्कुल भी feel नहीं होने वाले हैं on the handlebar or on the foot pegs. When I am out on the open roads, 6000 RPM onwards, आपको foot pegs पे थोड़ा बहुत buzz feel होना शुरू हो जाता है, and that is even though I am wearing proper riding boots. So there is vibration, there is nothing that you can do about it. In terms of mileage, ये जो motorcycle है, it can deliver close to 40 to 50 kmpl. If you are a mature enough rider and if you know what your bike's ideal shift point is, you can get even over 50 kmpl. आप लगभग 55 kmpl का माइलेज भी इस बाइक पे से अचीव कर पाओगे when you are going out on long rides. And if you are a boy racer, if you like to stay closer to the red line, if you want to wring the throttle all the time, the fuel efficiency can also drop under 40 kmpl. So it depends upon you how much money you want to spend to put in fuel from this offset fuel cap of this TVS Apache RTR 204V. Check this out. Very nice motorcycle to ride, very easy to launch, and you will feel the difference when you are launching this bike in urban mode compared to sport mode. तो power delivery जो है ये भी बदल जाती है, and in both the modes, by the way, the power delivery is very nice and linear, and you will like the mid-range performance, the mid-range punch from this bike, and there is a good amount of bottom end as well. TVS का ये कहना है that whenever someone is buying such a motorcycle in this particular class, they need good bottom end and they need good mid-range. टॉप एंड परफॉर्मेंस की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर गोइंग आउट परफॉर्मिंग योर कम्यूटिंग ड्यूटीज़, you are not really going to be wringing the throttle all the way close to the red line very often and at all times. So it makes no sense to make such an engine which will make you, the rider, make a lot of effort to keep the bike happy and then for you to enjoy that bike. This is fantastic. इस TVS Apache RTR 204V के साथ आपको GTT भी मिल रहा है, which is glide through technology. What that does is it idles the engine at a particular RPM even when you have engaged a certain gear. So it will keep the bike rolling without the engine stalling. So that also is a very useful feature within city limits. तो इसकी वजह से होगा ये that if you are in your first, second and third gears, if you do not give enough throttle input, it is not going to be like the bike will stall and then you will be stuck and you will be causing some amount of traffic behind. So this feature is also very handy. तो अगर आप ये बाइक खरीदना चाहते हो, if you are going out to take a test ride, try it, ride the bike without throttle inputs in the initial 2 gears, and you will appreciate how useful that thing is, how useful that GTT feature is, especially in bumper to bumper traffic crawls. Now talking about tires, they have offered me good grip, and we did ride it over a little wet surface, and no scare at all, no nervousness at all. इस बाइक के साथ आपको पेडल डिस्क ब्रेक्स दिए गए हैं, so you have a disc brake at the front and at the back. You have dual channel ABS on this particular variant, and the ABS works good enough. I have had no problems with the braking department as well. इस बाइक के जो मोड्स हैं मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी बताया. When you toggle between the modes, the ABS intervention also changes. So try to play around with this motorcycle if you are buying it, and understand in which mode how much stopping power you are going to require to bring this bike to a safe halt, and to bring this bike in your control if at times you notice some kind of an emergency out on the streets. Now, in terms of ride quality and comfort, the highlight of this motorcycle is that this bike comes with adjustable Showa front forks. You have telescopic front suspension, लेकिन आप इसका preload जो है adjust कर सकते हो. When you are making that adjustment, make sure that you adjust both the sides at the same level. आप सिर्फ एक साइड एडजस्ट नहीं कर सकते हो. If you do that, your bike's balance is not going to be right. इस बाइक के साथ आपको एक Showa adjustable rear monoshock भी दिया गया है. That is also adjustable for preload. लेकिन rear monoshock की सेटिंग चेंज करना काफ़ी मुश्किल है, क्योंकि सेटिंग चेंज करने के लिए जो लिंक आपको दी गई है, that is positioned higher up on the monoshock. So you have to open up the side panel, you have to remove the battery, and that is very time consuming, and you will barely do it. But thanks to this adjustable front suspension, you can set this bike's sag to your desired limit, how soft you want the suspension to be or how stiff you want the suspension to be, and then you can ride it and have a lot of fun. Because the bike is so agile, and because the suspension setup is now so customizable, this bike is going to be fantastic if you want to go and ride it out on a track. तो अगर आपको ये बाइक खरीदनी है, अगर आप ये बाइक खरीद लेते हो, it is going to be a fantastic beginner track tool. So if you want to learn, knee dragging, which you should do only on the racetrack, by the way, this will be very, very good. Do not knee drag out on the streets. The smallest of pebble is going to cause a scare, or it is going to throw you off the motorcycle. Stop watching all of these videos which glamorize knee dragging and all of those aspects which are done out in public, on public roads, because even though they might be lucky enough to get away with it, if you are not lucky enough, you are risking it, and you are going to cause some amount of trouble even for your family, although you are an idiot who tried it in the first place. Now talking about the gearbox, इस बाइक के साथ आपको एक 5-speed gearbox दिया गया है. The gear shifts are nice and precise. I have had no problems in terms of gear shifting. Very happily upshifting and downshifting whenever I was inside the city or even out on the highway, and at times when I was riding it really hard and fast. Also, जब आप fast paced gear changes करने वाले हो, you will like how the gearbox feels, and it is not at all clunky. So you will have a lot of fun with the package that you are getting with this TVS Apache RTR 204V. Now one fine detail which I want to share with you is that अगर आप ये मोटरसाइकिल खरीद रहे हो, and if you are going to tweak the front suspension to the softer side, ensure that you understand the motorcycle's braking abilities, because if you grab the front brake too hard, the bike is going to nosedive a bit too much, and that might make you feel uncomfortable. That might make your pillion uncomfortable, and that pillion is going to then throw all of his or her weight onto your shoulders. So ride carefully, understand the bike's settings, understand how much you can customize the motorcycle, what suits your riding requirements, and then enjoy this product. इस बाइक के साथ आपको एक 12 लीटर का फ्यूल टैंक दिया गया है. Do the math. If you are going to get over 45 kmpl mileage or over 40 kmpl mileage, it is going to be a very respectable riding range when you are going out with this bike. Touring करते समय भी आपको ज़्यादा दिक्कत नहीं होने वाली है. The bike does get oil cooling, so the engine will stay stress free as long as you are riding it between say 90 to 100 km/h. अगर टॉप स्पीड की बात करें तो मैंने इस बाइक के साथ 136 km/h अचीव किया है. TVS का क्लेम तो इससे कम ही है, बट ऑफ कोर्स व्हाट आई सॉ ऑन द स्पीडोमीटर क्लस्टर, देयर माइट बी सम अमाउंट ऑफ स्पीडो एरर ओवर देयर, बट 136 kmph, not bad at all. But if I was a lighter rider and if the wind would have allowed, if the roads would have allowed, the bike could have definitely clocked 140 or a little over 140 kmph. So good enough and decent punch and decent performance from this bike. In terms of roll-on accelerations, the throttle response is nice and crisp, and this TVS Apache is a very likable product. Check this out. When you are riding this bike in corners, it is very easy to change directions. Moving from side to side, it is very easy, and the weight balance is fantastic on this Apache RTR 204V. So this is a nice and fun package. This is quite an exciting package for this particular segment. And even though I am 5 feet 8 inches in height, I am completely at peace with the space that I am getting to move around on this motorcycle. So guys, that's been my experience with this motorcycle. Let me sum it up very quickly for you. The new TVS Apache RTR 204V for 2021 with riding modes with adjustable front and rear suspension. It is the most feature-packed motorcycle in its class. इतने features आपको और कोई भी motorcycle इस segment में offer नहीं करने वाली है. You should appreciate it, and I am sure you will. The engine has become more refined compared to the previous iterations of this motorcycle and of this particular engine. The ride quality is fantastic, and because you can adjust the suspension to your weight and to the road conditions, it is going to keep you happy on the saddle, and you can do long distance riding very easily. The rider's triangle is nice and sporty, so it is not at all commuterish or boring. So you will not feel that you are riding a plain Jane vanilla motorcycle. The gearbox is nice and precise. The clutch action is super light, तो आप इस बाइक के साथ डेली कम्यूट्स काफ़ी आसानी से कर पाओगे. The engine has enough punch even in rain and urban modes, so that should also keep your city riding experience exciting enough. And the throttle response even in sport mode is super sharp, feels quite nice, feels quite crisp, so you will feel like you are riding a nice and sporty motorcycle. So in my books, this 2021 TVS Apache RTR 204V is the most complete 200cc class motorcycle. If you want a 200cc class motorcycle, I shut, just go and test ride this, and if you like it, just bring this home. It is going to keep you happy. Only those riders who are taller than 5 feet 10, they might think that this bike is a little cramped. So if you are a tall guy, if you are a tall girl, go and test ride this bike first and make sure that you are comfortable on the saddle and that you are not feeling too cramped, because the knee angle is a little acute and these knee recesses are also sharp and the foot pegs are also placed a little higher. So guys, goodbye. Let me know what is your opinion about this TVS Apache RTR 204V. Do you like this? Will you buy this? Do you think it makes sense? And do you think this is sporty enough? Till next time, subscribe to the Shifting Gears channel. Press the bell icon so that you are notified every time we upload a new video. And while you can switch to the next video on YouTube or do something else, I'm going to just curse the traffic. Bye bye.